polar coordinate system in AutoCAD. Let's see how we can use the polar coordinate system to draw an inclined line with an angle. As you can see over here, this is the syntax of the polar coordinate system. You need to first of all type art, that is hold down shift and type art, then you type the length of the inclined line. After typing the length of the inclined line, you hold down the shift, then press the left down key on your keyboard. Then after that, you need to input the angle, which is degree. After inputting the angle, you press enter. This is going to give you the inclined line with the angle. Let's see how this is done. So first of all, you want to go to the line command. You want to double click on the line command. Let's say we want the origin to be at this point. So if you want the origin to be at this point, which is 0, 0, that is 0 in the x coordinate and 0 in the y coordinate. So you need to type 0, 0, enter. So as you can see, this is the origin. Now we want an inclined length of 8 inches. So what you need to do, you need to hold down shift, then press alt. So we have shift alt, then after shift alt, you need to input the length of the inclined line, which is 8 inches. After inputting the length of the inclined line, hold down shift, then press left down key on your keyboard. Now you need to input the angle. The angle is 45 degrees. So you type 45 degrees, enter, press escape. As you can see, this is the inclined line. If you want to measure this inclined line, you need to go to the annotation tab, click on this drop down icon. Then you need to find where it says align. Click on this. So click on the first point, which is the origin, then click on the end points. So you drag this, then click on this. So this is the measurement. As you can see, this is too small, we can't see this. If you want to increase the size of this, you just need to right click on the text, then go to property, and you can change the size of the text, or you can use the match property command. Since we know the property of this line is similar to this property, then we can use the match property command by typing MATCH on your keyboard. It is going to bring out the match prop command. Click on enter. Don't worry, once we start discussing match property, you understand this better. So what you need to do, you need to click on this dimension. Since they are similar, then click on this. So it is going to copy the property of this dimension, then press escape. Also, if you want the dimension for the angle, before you can do that, you need to draw an horizontal line, because before you can get the angle, you need the inclined line and also the horizontal line. So I'm going to draw the horizontal line. Double click on the line command, click at the origin, then click and somewhere here, escape. So now go to the annotation tab, click on this drop down icon, then click on angular. So you want to click on the inclined line, also you want to click on the horizontal line, and click somewhere here. As you can see, this is the angle, but this is too small, we can't see this properly. You can use the match property command to copy this same property. Okay, so you click on this angle, then also you click here. Now we can see this properly. You can also draw an inclined line anywhere. It does not necessarily need to be at this origin. So if you want to do that, you just double click on the line command, click anywhere that is specify first point, then hold down shift, type art, and specify the length of the inclined line, which is 8 inches. Then hold down shift, click the left down key on your keyboard, and type 45 degree, enter, escape. As you can see, this is the inclined line of 45 degree. Also, if you want an inclined line, if you want a negative angle, as you can see, this is 45 degree. If you want a negative angle, you can also do this. Go to the line command, double click on the line command. So click anywhere, then hold down shift, alt. The length of the line is 8 inches. Then hold down shift, click the left down key on your keyboard, Now instead of 45 degree, it is going to be negative 45 degree. This is rotating in the clockwise direction. That is why it is negative. If it is rotating in the counterclockwise direction, it is a positive angle. So you need to input negative 45 degree and click on enter. After you click on escape. As you can see, this is the inclined line of 8 inches with an angle of negative 45 degree.